Thank you for joining today's Endeavor Talk. I'm Jeff Hawkins with the commercial team here at Indeavor. Today we want to cover what is cross-training, benefits, some of the risks, keys of implementing a strong cross-training program, and then review an Endeavor tool that we think is necessary to support your program success. In a study conducted by Deloitte, they explained that 73% of business executives they interviewed expect to experience talent shortages over the next 3 years. The entire industry has seen a decline in experienced labor, resulting in a shift to upskilling rather than hiring key talent. So what is upskilling? This essentially means learning new and enhanced skills related to your current role, job, or function. In manufacturing, cross-training, a common term for upskilling, is often mentioned, but only a few are very good at it. So let's talk about what is cross-training. Cross-training in manufacturing means training employees to perform multiple roles within a production process, allowing them to work in different workstations or tasks beyond their primary job responsibilities, creating a flexible workforce capable of adapting to change. Essentially, it's building resiliency in your workforce who can handle change throughout adequate preparation. So what are some of the benefits of cross-training? Schedule flexibility is one of the most important benefits of cross-training. Focused process improvements. You're able to share best practices from other parts of the line and or plant. Worker engagement. You create value in what they know, and the boost in morale creates a happier worker. Finally, succession planning. Career-minded employees have drive and will continue to do what's right for the organization. What are some of the risks of not cross-training your team? You create a single point of failure that's tied to labor availability, low employee engagement, boredom, decreased job satisfaction, or retention problems. You have limited career development, burnout. Good employees are put into bad situations. And then finally, safety and quality issues resulting from a lack of knowledge and or training. So what are some of the keys to a strong cross-training program? First, you have to identify the key skills needed in your operation and then specifically focus on those that are transferable with low to medium effort. You must create a formal training plan that is structured to address key business tasks. Ensure your training incorporates hands-on, shadow, and a measure of success that will ultimately motivate the trainee. You create a learning culture by fostering an environment where cross-training is encouraged, rewarded, and promotes a fair and equitable workload. Next, engage site leadership to ensure that all expectations are being supported. Without the proper support, short-term business decisions will be prioritized, and this will inevitably destroy the culture that you are trying to build. Finally, you must have a system of record that supports the site's cross-training plan. As outlined, the keys to implementing a strong cross-training plan boil down to having the tools that help facilitate a well-thought-out plan and execution. As many who have experienced these types of programs, it's administrative efforts that often derail your progress. This is exactly the business challenge that Indeavor looks to address with their skills and competency management solution. Indeavor Skills and Competency Solution has several key benefits that will help support both HR and operations leadership and focus on executing an efficient cross-training plan. Providing a data-driven HR strategy through identification of skills gaps helps to track training progress and provides insight into future workforce needs. It will reduce compliance risk by monitoring qualification end dates to ensure timely training execution that maintains an individual's qualifications. It will also help an operations leader streamline scheduling by providing a skill or competency-based scheduling process where experience and skill proficiency is critical. Empower your frontline leaders to track and maintain their team's training plans while ensuring the real-time data provides the necessary insight into expiring qualifications. So to sum up these key advantages in our customers' words, our qualifications and skills management provides the following: a comprehensive visibility. It instantly you can instantly see who is qualified for specific jobs, locations, or skills, track their competency levels, also track days since last assignment, and have visibility into end dates. There's customized reporting that will allow you to tailor this view in your matrices to your organization's needs. And then proactive training management. You can identify expiring qualifications or skill gaps and prioritize your training to ensure compliance, readiness, and minimizing your training cost. So if your business considers skills and qualifications mission critical, you struggle to track, maintain, and have immediate visibility in the times of need, then Indeavor Skills and Competency Solution is the game changer for your cross-training requirements. With a solid plan, tools to execute it, and an unwavering focus, you can create an operations culture that's focused on skill-driven performance. Thanks.